Momentum is a property of moving objects. We can use it to analyse changes in the motion of objects and collisions between them. Momentum is defined as the product of mass and velocity. Momentum, P, equals mass, m, times velocity, v. This means that lighter or slower objects have less momentum than heavier, faster ones. Momentum is a vector. It has a magnitude and a direction. The direction will be the same as the object's velocity. Let's try a few calculations. A motorbike of mass 500 kilograms is moving at a velocity of 20 meters per second. What's its momentum? Let's check your answer. Momentum is mass times velocity. So we've got 500 times 20 equals 10,000. The units are the units of mass times the units of velocity, kilogram meters per second. The direction here will be to the right. Now you try. A car of mass 1,000 kilograms is moving at a velocity of 20 meters per second. What's its momentum? Pause the video and work it out. Let's check your answer. Mass is 1,000 kilograms. Velocity is 20 meters per second. Momentum is mass times velocity. So we've got 1,000 times 20 is 20,000 kilogram meters per second. We've doubled the mass between these two vehicles, and the momentum has doubled. The same thing would happen if we doubled the velocity.